no day.
What white thing?
That white thing, no day.
Okay there, Toki?
What happened to that white thing, Daddy?
What
that,
white?
That white thing.
Come here. You gonna say hi to Bucky?
What happened to that white thing on there?
I don't know what you mean.
That white thing on the leg.
Oh, no, he's okay. That's just part of his leg.
What happened to it?
That's like his knee.
What happened to it? What happened?
He's okay. He just lost his hair there, it looks like. Where's Dowie?
Hi, Dowie.
Where's Dowie? Still up in the woods?
Where's Dowie going? I'm gonna sit on the bed.
Okay. You sit on the bed.
The kitty goes.
Are you meowing at the deers? Do you want to open the window and talk to them?
Yes.
Yeah? Come here. Oh, he's looking at you. Look.
Oh.
He's jumpy.
Hello.
Say hello, Bucky.
Hello, Bucky. Bucky, smells.
Is he smelling you?
Talk to him, Will.
Hi.
He wants to talk to you.
Tell him to smile. Show him your sweet moves.
Are you doing your sweet moves for Thunderstruck?
That's like him. That's like my toy. That's like him.
I never realized that this song was actually in place.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, Bucky.
Woohoo, Bucky. Hey, tell Bucky to come back here.
Dance, Willie. Sing it.
That's like my favorite. That's my favorite toy. He's like him. He's like a battery toy. Hey, Bucky. How? Where's Bucky go?
Oh, did he leave?
Where's Bucky? Where's Bucky go? Where's he go?
Hey, Willie. Will.
Well,
Will, look at me.
look at Daddy.